Hi guys, Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clean a light switch that has paint on it. What we need for this is a window blade, a Stanley knife and a rag, and I've just damped the corner of the rag slightly because we don't want a lot of water obviously on electric. And just to let you know guys, I have put this paint on here, and also it is a lot easier not to get paint on it in the first place, but you know what, sometimes you do, so you need to clean it. Let's get this video done. Okay guys, just to let you know that this is an old blade in this window blade, because I often find when you use a brand new blade it cuts into the plastic, and an old one is what I find better for this job. Okay, first of all, get your Stanley knife and just cut down the edge there. And get your blade and get your cloth and that guys is how to clean paint off your light switch. If you've got anything from the video, please share, subscribe, leave a comment, and please hit that notification bell. Thank you very much guys.